morning. I'm Radzel S. Gonzaga, a graduate of BS Commerce major in Management Accounting at Ateneo de Davao University. I'm a mom of a 16-year-old boy who is an incoming senior high school this school year. And before I became a financial advisor, I have worked in different companies. I was a banker for 7 years, but I decided to leave my job as a bank employee because I can't see myself working there for the longest time. I then accepted my parents' offer to manage our business with my husband, but then it was not easy and I encountered problems and difficulties that pushed me to leave the family business after 3 years and again look for other opportunities and means just to save family relations. So when I left my job, I left our family business. I was only earning 350 pesos a day. So pinagkakasya ko po yung 350 pesos in one day para may magastos na naman kami kinabukasan. So yun. But a friend told me that there's a BPO company who is hiring. So I tried, although I really don't like to be a BPO call center agent. But I realized and I feel that I'm still fortunate because I landed with that job, and I am fortunate because it made me realize that I can do and learn new things as well. And I am now working as a financial advisor since November 2019, but at the same time, I'm still connected with the BPO as an agent. It was November 2019 when a friend, a mentor, a sister in a spiritual community invited me, named Mariludi. So she consistently invited me to be part of Sun Life Prepa Financial for 3 years. So it took her 3 years to make me say yes, because I thought that being a financial advisor is not my cup of tea. But then I realized that everything happens for a reason. And it doesn't matter if you are at the end of the line, God will always move you in front in His perfect time. The first award and recognition that I received last December 2019 was the Rookie of the Year award. I received the CAO Bronze Award, and I was in the top 5 for the list of financial advisors who had the highest AFYP and in most numbered case settled. So now, if you think that this is not your cup of tea, just have the courage to try it. If you are doubtful, if you have the market, try looking at your mobile phones, on your Facebook list of friends. Look around you right now and see the vast potential that lies ahead of us. If you are too busy and you have no time, believe me, you can make it. And when we have the confidence, we can surely make our dreams into reality. Just keep the positivity and share the positive vibes around you, for it will surely bounce back 1,000 folds. And also, I have this realizations that whenever we try something new, whenever we try something new every day, we have to embrace the challenge and get motivated, especially when we are faced with pressure, with time constraints, and with difficulty in financial resources. Because I believe that God always send us this channel of blessing. Somebody will support you, may it be your co-financial advisor, may it be your senior manager, or a friend that will support you in all your aspirations. So find that passion in your heart and know your vision and mission. Be surrounded with positive people that will teach you how to fly and how to achieve your dreams. Go out from comfort zone and have a friend to join you in your success and happiness. And show your interests, dreams, and passion. And one more tip is make a to-do list every day. Prioritize those that are challenging and complicated accounts, and everything follows. Do not compare yourself to others. Listen to motivational speakers, listen to your mentors, to your co-financial advisors, um, and also do not underestimate yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe that you are powerful, confident, and that you are a born leader. If you fail, pick up yourself and keep going. Life goes on. We are here to ensure more lives. We are here to help others to build their future. And that we need to have that passion. We need to accomplish that mission and vision that there will be no more Filipino poor families because we have achieved that mission, that to provide all the Filipino people with financial literacy. Thank you so much, and to God be the greatest glory.